Midgy fire.
Midgy fire. That sounds like something else.
Eh?
That sounds like it could be something else. The midgy fire. That makes everything turn into midgy. Like I don't know.
What way to start the day? Just start climbing up into the hills, going to Steall Falls, Steall Meadows, and look at all the nice cloud just gathering, ready to burn off. There are campsites away there somewhere. Just a wee tent in the middle of the woods. That's our wee house, isn't it, Hen?
Aye.
Oh, just came through the forest. Oh, it's magical rocks. Don's got photos, so I'll steal them off her. And now we're coming to Steall Meadows, where it opens up. And the sun just coming up. Clouds all went away. We've been walking a wee while. We were up at 5. We're good.
We're dedicated.
We're pretty cool. That's after a few brandies last night as well. And late night sausage and absolutely cremated baked potato. So, Steall Meadows and Steall Falls. Beautiful. But around this corner is a bit Dawn's been looking forward to before we got into wilderness.
I'm looking forward to it because I like to amuse you. You're going to get a giggle here.
I think we'll put the GoPro on Dawn. Because we've got a wire bridge coming up. Before we go anywhere, we've got to get across the wire bridge.
See, the calling of it as a wire bridge, I mean, that implies that it's not just a wire.
Well, it is. It's a big thick wire and 2 wires to hold on to.
It does
3 wires.
Thing, but it's not really a bridge, it's just a wire.
Yeah. So, catch up in a minute. Beautiful morning. It's going to be hot today, I think. Hot, hot, hot. Looking pretty good for a girl. It's just been had a few brandies last night, and there's been the ongoing meal of midges for the last 3 or 4 days.
I feel like my left eye is slightly more closed than the right one.
Aye, it looked a wee bit puffy this morning.
Aye, I think there's a new bite underneath.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight in pieces, wood. I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like.
Makes it worth getting out of the car, doesn't it, and going by foot.
Oh, it does.
Even
Definitely.
though we've been Tested today.
Just give me a mountain.
They will come in a minute. This is just a warm up.
This is going to be easy now.
Many rivers you crossed today?
304.
That's 2 rivers and almost a waterfall. And a bog.
The size of a football field. I thought you were being sarcastic when you told me that.
Me, sarcastic. Right. This is just the start of it. We've not even hit the mountains yet.
On the grass, I close my eyes. Play my guitar to my fingers and numb. I always try to let my spirit fly away. That's the only way to get that high always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood. I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle.
So, that was all. We just came over the summit of An Gearanach.
Unfortunately, very quickly because of the swarming devil minions.
We got attacked by flies.
I like hanging about for a minute at summits.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing up my gloves and knees. My back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down the slope. I gotta strike a blow. 'Cause practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches. We'll roll with the punches.
You're videoing, aren't you?
No?
Yes, you are. I charge more for videos. You wanted to get me on this big step, didn't you?
No. Look at my wife traversing a river in her bare feet, way a fag in her mouth.
Well, you see, I wanted to smoke, but I also desperately wanted my feet in this water, so I had to just combine. Oh my god. That bit moved. Right, that's not a good way. Oh, this feels so good.
These are feet that have been walking for about 10 hours.
No, these stones under your bare feet doesn't really feel much different. I don't want to be over.
Well done.
We'll roll with the punches. Took a dive and we're now. We've had our ups and downs. I know we still work through the doubt. Yeah, nothing can put out our glow. My back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down the slope. I gotta strike a blow. 'Cause practice makes perfect, you know. This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches.